decision that we do not take lightly. The declaration of a provincial state of emergency provides our government with powers that include the ability to limit travel to or from a community or a region of the province, and directing that a property or equipment can be deployed to address the COVID-19 pandemic that we are facing.
A day to keep a soldier on the fighting front. Millions of pounds of food each day. The best way to supply our men overseas and our fighting allies with most of the foods they need is in dried form and in cans. In addition to the military, other factors affect our canned food supply. Take tin, for example. Our major peacetime sources have been cut off by the enemy. Our railroads and other transportation facilities are being taxed to their utmost, carrying munitions, armaments, war supplies, and troops. That leaves less shipping space for civilian foodstuffs. And then there's the farm labor shortage. All this means that we at home will have less canned fruits, vegetables, soups, and other processed foods for our use. Without rationing of these foods, some people would get more than their fair share. Others would not even get what they need. But rationing assures everyone of his fair share. That is why your government is rationing canned fruits and vegetables and other processed foods. Until now, we have been rationing one item at a time, like sugar and coffee. But processed fruits and vegetables are not one product. They are hundreds of products in hundreds of different brands, grades, sizes, variety. In cans, bottles, packages, in dried and frozen form. One cannot say, as in the case of sugar, each citizen will be allowed 2 cans of peaches a week.
Electric grid operators all across the country warning of potential blackouts this summer. Oh, no. Jeff Flock outside a nuclear plant, actually, in Pennsylvania. All right, what's the problem, Jeff?
Shutting down too many plants, nuke plants and coal-fired plants. We're shutting too many of these down. Take a look at the numbers on specifically coal-fired plants. In the next 6 years, across 14 states, we will shut down 80 coal-fired plants. And people say we don't have enough new generation coming online to replace it.